So here is your math page for today, Monday, November 23rd. Let's take a look at how you're going to do each problem. They're the same problem. They're each a subtraction problem. They're just shown to you in different ways. And so let's take a look at each one. Okay, here we have a picture of what this number is. We have 372. So 372. Okay. How did we get it? We have the hundreds column, there's 3. The tens column, there's 7. And the ones column, there's 2. So it says here, 125 grams is removed from the parcel. So this means subtraction. 372 minus 125. And you see there's place value here. We have ones, tens, hundreds. So we always start with the ones column. Can we remove 5 from 2? We cannot, so we have to borrow from the tens column. Okay, now we have 12. And take away 5 will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now over here we have 6. We can take 2 from 6, no problem. And we have 4. And here we need to just take 1 from 3, which leaves us 2. So your answer is 2, 4, 7. 247. Okay, so over here we have to figure out how much the package weighs. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800, 2 of these, and 3 of these is 823. It says 259 grams is removed from the parcel. So we're going to subtract 259 from 823. Again, we start with the ones column. Can we take 9 from 3? No. So we're going to take 10 of these and bring them over here, which will give us 13. Now, can we take 9 from 13? Sure. And now we have 4. So here in the tens column, 5. Can we take 5 from 1? No. So we're going to borrow from the hundreds. And then we make 10 tens. Okay? Now, can we take 5 from 11? 11 tens? Yes. And that will leave us 6. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we take 2 from 7? Yes. And that leaves us 5. So your answer is 564 grams. Okay, so we need to write a column subtraction to match each picture and work out the answer. So, like the other page, it tells you the total amount that this package weighs? It weighs 546. And it wants us to remove 128 grams. So this is how we write it. We have the hundreds column, the tens column, and the six column. The biggest number is always on top with subtraction. Okay, so we start in the ones column. Can we take 8 from 6? No. So we need to cross out the 4, turn it into 3, just you make it one smaller than the number that it is. Okay, so we turned it into a 3. And we add the 1 over here to make it 16, because we added 10. Okay, the 10 came from here. We brought it over here, and it's 16 now. So 8 minus 16 is 8. Okay, now 2 out of 3, or 3 minus 2, is 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so let's look at this one. The package weighs 605 grams, and we need to remove 289. So we need to subtract this number from this number. So this is how you write it in a problem. Can we take from 5, 9? No, there's not enough. So we're going to turn this into a 0 because it used to be 1. Now we've taken it all, and this is 0. And we've turned this one into 15 because we brought over 10. Okay, now we can take 9 from 15, which is 6. Now, can we take 8 from 0? There's nothing. We cannot do that. So now we need to borrow from here. So we're going to cross it out and turn it into a 5. Now we brought over a 1 to make this a 10. And so now we can take 8 out of 10, which will be 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. All right, so for your homework, the first one, you figure out the big number by adding up the weights in the picture. The first number is going to go here. You subtract it from this number written here where it says this number is removed from the parcel. So this number goes here, and then the answer goes here, just like I showed you on the picture in the video. And then for here, you're going to stack them, just like the second part of the video. This is the top number, this is the bottom number, all the way over here. Now, for the third one, it just gives you numbers. So you're going to always put the biggest number on top and the smaller one on the bottom, and then figure out the solution to the problem. Okay?